In the vast northern forests, the journey of a luxury moose leather jacket begins. Regulated, ethical hunting supplies the raw material for premium leather.
Only the finest hides are selected for $1,000 luxury jackets.
Expert hands remove the thick moose hide with precision and care. Each hide is carefully evaluated for strength and beauty. Salting begins the preservation process right in the field. The raw hides begin their journey from wilderness to workshop.
Careful extraction keeps the hides in perfect condition.
The precious raw material heads toward the processing facility.
From the wild to the workshop, the first step in creating a $1,000 moose leather jacket is complete.
The raw moose hides begin their protected journey to the leather processing facility.
Careful transfer ensures the premium hides remain undamaged.
Long-haul transport moves the hides across regions to the specialized facility.
Regular checks maintain the quality of the raw moose skins. Through day and night, the hides travel toward their transformation. The raw material reaches the specialized leather factory. Inside the facility perimeter, final transport preparations begin.
Hold it, right there. Okay, lock it down.
Precise positioning at the receiving dock readies the hides for processing.
The moose hides are carefully transferred into the facility.
Arrival complete. The transformation from wild hide to luxury leather jacket now begins in earnest.
This specialized facility transforms raw moose hides into premium luxury leather. Authorized entry into the controlled processing environment. Raw moose skins officially enter the leather processing plant.
Careful movement through the facility maintains hide integrity.
The facility's receiving bay is equipped for large, heavy hides, like moose.
Mechanical assistance handles the substantial weight of raw moose skin. Transitioning seamlessly into the initial cleaning phase.
Factory entry complete. The moose hide now enters cleaning and sorting for luxury leather production.
The raw moose hide receives its first thorough cleaning to remove field preservatives.
Excess tissue is carefully removed to prepare the durable moose skin. The grain side undergoes detailed washing for optimal leather quality. Mechanical defleshing refines the hide for consistent thickness. Expert eyes sort and grade the hide for luxury jacket standards. Only the best portions advance for $1,000 leather production. Sorted premium moose leather sections move forward in the process. Soaking restores moisture and begins the tanning preparation. Careful monitoring ensures perfect conditions for the raw material.
Initial cleaning and sorting complete simple. The moose hides are now ready for core transformation into luxury leather. The core tanning process transforms raw hide into durable leather.
Controlled rotation ensures even chemical penetration throughout the hide. The moose hide has now become stable leather through the tanning process. Excess liquids are removed to prepare for further processing.
Neutralization stabilizes the leather chemistry for longevity.
Expert sorting ensures only top-grade leather advances. Mechanical setting ensures uniform thickness and prevents wrinkles. Core processing complete. The moose leather is now ready for main transformation. Final rinsing prepares the leather for controlled drying. Controlled drying begins the journey towards supple luxury leather.
Main transformation begins by restoring essential oils to the moose leather. Careful oil penetration creates the soft, durable hand required for premium jackets. Excess oils are removed while retaining the luxurious softness. Pressing sets the leather for consistent thickness and appearance.
Specialized dyeing gives the moose leather its rich, high-end color.
Uniform dye absorption creates the signature look of $1,000 jackets. The leather now displays its deep, luxurious, finished color. Precise drying stabilizes the dyed moose leather without brittleness. Staking transforms the leather into the buttery soft texture demanded by luxury jackets. Main transformation complete. Raw moose skin has become premium leather for high-end jackets. The transformed moose leather enters the automated systems for precision processing.
High-tech scanning identifies the best sections for luxury jacket panels.
Automated precision cutting shapes the leather for $1,000 jackets. Robotic systems efficiently sort the precision-cut leather components. Automated skiving creates perfectly tapered edges for professional assembly.
Machine vision ensures every piece meets luxury standards.
Automation delivers consistent, accurate hardware preparation. Automated edge finishing gives the leather a refined luxury appearance. High-tech systems perform final verification of every component.
Automation systems complete. The premium moose leather moves to precision finishing.